What's going on, guys? My name is Zay Molina, and I'm one of the educators here at Empire and at IX Global. I want to first and foremost welcome you guys to Empire and welcome you to your trading journey. I know a lot of you guys watching are probably brand new to trading, so I want to go ahead and start you guys off with an introduction to the foreign exchange market so you know exactly what kind of market you're getting yourself into. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we got to ask ourselves is, what is Forex? Well, Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, right? You get the four from foreign, you get the X from exchange, and boom, you got Forex, okay? And essentially what this market is we're simply taking one currency and trading it for another. Okay, that's all we're doing here in the foreign exchange, okay? And the Forex market trades about $6.6 trillion a day. 6.6 trillion, okay? By far the most volatile market in the world, okay? So think about it. If you have ever traveled to a country that uses a different currency than your home country, okay, you have most likely participated in the Forex market. Okay. And what do I mean by that is essentially when you go to a different country, you have to exchange one currency for that other currency, right? To be able to buy stuff in that country. Okay. So for me, I'm from the United States. So if I travel to, let's say, Europe, I'd have to exchange my US dollars in for euros, right? So that's essentially trading currencies. Okay. So whenever I exchange my US dollars for euros, right, I'm going to get back whatever that exchange rate is, right? And these exchange rates are always fluctuating. Okay. So let's get into an example. Let's say I'm traveling to Europe from the United States and I have 100 US dollars when I leave. Okay. So let's say for this example, the exchange rate right now is one US dollar for 10 euros. Okay. So if I have 100 US dollars, that means I would have 1,000 euros when I get there, right? So when I exchange my currency, I'd get 1,000 euros back. Okay. Now, let's say for some reason I get this entire trip for free. So let's say I'm there for like a week or whatever, and I never spend a single euro, right? I still have 1,000 euros by the end of the week. Okay. So when I come back to the United States, I have to exchange my euros back in for US dollars, right? But remember, we talked about that exchange rate is constantly fluctuating. Okay. So it's always changing. So let's say now when I go back to the United States, I have 1,000 euros. Let's say the exchange rate has changed from one US dollar equals 10 euros. Now it's one US dollar equals 5 euros. Okay. So now when I exchange my 1,000 euros in for US dollars, I'm now going to get $200 back. And remember, we started with 100 US dollars. Okay. So that's what happens when we exchange currencies, right? Depending on that exchange rate, that's going to be change the value of a currency compared to another currency, right? So in this case, I actually profited 100 US dollars. And so now when we think about modern day technology, right? iPhones, Android, laptops, iPads, whatever you're using, you can actually do this from that device. You can trade currencies online. Okay. And I'm sure that's why you're watching this video today, because you're probably interested in how to trade from your device. So let's talk about how you can actually make money in this market. Okay. Well, first off, the Forex market moves in two directions, up and down, right? We look to buy and we look to sell. Okay. So when the market moves up, we look to buy. When the market moves down, we look to sell. Okay. And unlike stocks, you can actually make money when price is moving down. And I know, people will say, oh, in stocks, you can just sell your shares at the top and, can make money. Well, yeah. However, when it comes to Forex, you're not really buying and selling shares. What you're doing is you're buying one currency and exchanging it for another. So when you sell here in this market, you're essentially exchanging one currency for another. So you're always selling one and buying one, right? And when the market moves up, the same thing, right? You're buying one and exchanging another. Okay. That's why, we call it trading, because you're essentially trading currencies. Okay. So what we want to do, and this is going to be the first thing you're going to really want to learn when it comes to the Forex market, is you want to sell high and buy low. Okay. So what do we mean by that? Well, when we look at these charts, right, these are called candles. Essentially, when we see these candles, we want to sell at the highest point possible to be able to give the market enough room for us to make the most profit. Okay, so we want to sell as high as we can. Yeah, we could sell maybe right here and still catch some profit, but if we can sell as high as possible and catch the bigger move, that means more profit for us. Okay, and same thing down here when we buy. When we buy low, essentially, we're giving the market a lot of room to give us profit. Okay. So when we sell, we want the market obviously to go down. And when we buy, we obviously want the market to go up. So when can we actually jump in these markets? Well, essentially, the Forex market is open 24 hours, 5 days a week, right? It opens at Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and it closes on Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Okay. So essentially, between Friday evening and Sunday evening, that's when the market is closed for those 48 hours. But other than that, throughout the week, it is open and you can trade anytime you'd like. Okay. Now, if you're talking about crypto, crypto is open 24/7. The markets don't close on crypto. Okay. So, guys, that's going to do it for today's lesson. And I hope you guys got some value on what the foreign exchange market is. Okay, so if you guys did get some value, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys, and we'll see you. What's going on, guys? I'm Zay Molina, an educator here at Empire, not IX Global, and if you guys enjoyed that educational video you just watched and you feel ready to take your trading education to the next level, click the link in our description below and head on over to our website, empiretradegroup.com, and check out our VIP program with IX Global. Within our VIP program, you will learn institutional trading concepts, or smart money, in depth by learning from our university-style academy, our live classes and trading sessions, and from our personal mentorship Telegram group chats. Once again, click that link in our description below if you want some more information or if you guys feel ready to get started today. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in our VIP program.
Check this out.